In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments online using Zoho Books. This process is crucial for businesses that want to streamline their accounting and ensure money moves seamlessly from clients to their accounts. Let's walk through the steps to get everything set up efficiently. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books website. If you're not familiar with Zoho Books, it's part of the Zoho suite of online productivity tools designed to help businesses with their accounting needs. Once you've loaded the Zoho Books homepage in your browser, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that sign in button. If you don't have a Zoho account, you will need to create one, but assuming you do, simply enter your credentials to proceed. After successfully signing in, you'll land on the home dashboard of Zoho Books. This dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your finances and is designed to help you manage your accounting effectively. Now, to begin the process of setting up online payments, we'll need to dive into the settings. Look for the settings icon, typically located at the bottom left corner of the interface, and click on it. This settings area serves as the control center for customizing your Zoho Books experience to fit your specific business needs. With the settings open, direct your attention to the Integrations and Marketplace section. This is where Zoho Books offers a variety of integrations that can enhance the functionality of your accounting software. Clicking on Integrations and Marketplace will present a plethora of options, but our focus today is on receiving online payments, so we'll continue with the relevant steps. In the Marketplace, you'll see an option for Stripe. Stripe is a leading online payment platform known for its ease of use and robust features that support a variety of payment methods around the globe. Click on the Stripe icon to proceed. Connecting Stripe to Zoho Books allows you to handle payments from your clients directly through your accounting software, simplifying the payment process for both you and your customers. Following these steps, you should now be on the Stripe integration page within Zoho Books. Here, you will have to follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Stripe account to Zoho Books. Be sure you have your Stripe credentials handy, as you'll need them to finalize this connection. Once connected, any payments processed via Stripe will automatically reflect in Zoho Books, updating your ledger in real time and providing accurate financial reporting. And that's it, you've set up Zoho Books to receive payments online through Stripe, making your financial transactions smoother and more efficient. This integration not only saves you time, but also ensures that your accounts are always up to date. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your online payment system up and running.